name is Keon. I'm from Pembroke Pines, Florida, and I'm here at NIA Body Kits to install me a diffuser. So I have a Lexus IS 2022. It's a IS 300, and I've owned it for about 2 years. I got it in December 2022, but I just say 2023 because I started driving in 2023. So I just recently bought a diffuser, the square light diffuser for the IS 300. Pops out very much with the car. I can't wait to get it installed and see how it looks. I heard from NIA Body Kits from a friend. He actually came here before and installed a whole body kit on his car. He had an IS 350, so I heard it from there, from him, and then I was like, I gotta check it out. I chose NIA Body Kits because I heard like they're the best with body kits, and I seen the diffuser on his look, and I was like, man, like the diffuser looks mean, and I came here to get the diffuser, man. The quality and the time it took for the diffusers to get ready, it was amazing. So can't wait to get it on. It was very good though.